and welcome to another video. Let's solve for the value of x in this simple equation. We have 7th root of 7 raised to the 16th power plus 7 raised to the power of x over 7 raised to the power of x plus 7 raised to the power of 2 equals to 7. Step number 1. I'm going to what? Raise both sides to the power of 7. Okay? Raise both sides. Raise both sides to the power of 7. Of course, this is same as parentheses 7 raised to the power of 16 plus 7 raised to the power of x over 7 raised to the power of x plus 7 raised to the power of 2 to the power of 1 over 7. Okay, that is the 7th root. Then I'll raise this, okay, raising both sides to the power of 7. So which means we have outside the square bracket will be exponent 7. Then this will be equals to 7 raised to the power of 7. So applying one of the properties of exponents, that is the property, the statement that parentheses a raised to the power of n, okay, exponent n, this will be a raised to the power of m times n. So using this property, we're going to have 7 times 1 over 7, that will be 1. So this will reduce to 7 raised to the power of 16 plus 7 raised to the power of x divided by 7 raised to the power of x plus 7 raised to the power of 2 equals to 7 raised to the power of 7. So now we can cross multiply so that 1 multiplied by 7 raised to the power of 16, that will be 7 raised to the power of 16 plus 1 multiplied by 7 raised to the power of x, that will be 7 raised to the power of x. Then this will be equals to 7 raised to the power of 7 times 7 raised to the power of x. This will be 7 raised to the power of x plus 7. Okay, using the property a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n, which will be a raised to the power of m plus n. Okay, then 7 raised to the power of 7 multiplied by 7 raised to the power of 2. This will be 7 raised to the power of 2 plus 7. Okay, using this property, so that this will be 7 raised to the power of 16 plus 7 raised to the power of x equals to 7 raised to the power of x plus 7 plus 7 raised to the power of 9. Now I can combine like terms, okay? Combine like terms. So that I'm going to what? Carry the 7 raised to the power of 9 over to the left hand side. Now carry this over to the right hand side. So this will go to the right hand side, and then this will come here. This will come to the left hand side. So which means we're going to have 7 raised to the power of 16 minus 7 raised to the power of 9. And that will be equals to 7 raised to the power of x plus 7 minus 7 raised to the power of x. Okay, so what I've done is 7 raised to the power of 9, I carry it over to the left hand side, and the 7 raised to the power of x on the left hand side, okay, goes to the right hand side. So when it crosses to the right hand side, over to the right hand side, it will be negative. This also will be negative. So now I'm going to factor out 7 raised to the power of 7 raised to the power of 9 in this case. So 7 raised to the power of 9 parentheses 7 raised to the power of 7. That is, if we divide 7 raised to the power of 16 by 7 raised to the power of 9, we will get 7 raised to the power of 7, because 7 raised to the power of 9 plus 7, okay, that will be 7 raised to the power of 16. Okay, then 7 raised to the power of 9 divided by 7 raised to the power of 9, that will be 1. Then this will be also 7 raised to the power of x is a common factor in this case. So this will be, if we divide, this will be 7 raised to the power of x parentheses 7 raised to the power of 7 minus 1. So we have this on both sides. So this will cancel this. So we'll be left with 7 raised to the power of x equals to 7 raised to the power of 9. Then the value of x will be 9. Now let's quickly verify our answer. Let's verify. So we have, this is the left hand side, okay? We have the 7th root of 7 to the 16th power plus 7 raised to the power of x divided by 7 raised to the power of x plus 7 raised to the power of 2. Now will it be equals to 7? So this will be 7th root of 7 raised to the power of 16 plus 7 raised to the power of, now x is equals to 9. Okay, we have 7 raised to the power of 9 divided by 7 raised to the power of 9 plus 7 raised to the power of 2. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to factor out 7 raised to the power of 9. So we have the 7th root of 7 raised to the power of 9 multiplied by 7 raised to the power of 7 plus 1 divided by, now 7 raised to the power of 2 is a common factor in this case, okay? That is, if I divide 7 raised to the power of 9 by 7 raised to the power of 2, then I'll get 7 raised to the power of 7. 7 raised to the power of 2 divided by 7 raised to the power of 2, that'll be 1. So that this will reduce to the 7th root of 7 raised to the power of 9 divided by 7 raised to the power of 2. Okay, applying one of the properties of exponents, that is a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n. Okay, this will be a raised to the power of m minus n. So which means this will be 7th root of 7 raised to the power of 9 minus 2. Then 7th root of 7 raised to the power of 7, because 9 minus 2 is 7. And this will be 7 raised to the power of 7 multiplied by 1 over 7. So then we have 7. So which means x equals to 9, okay, is the value, that is the solution to the equation on the board. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.